Hi, it's Miss Laurent from Occupational Therapy. Today we're going to read a story called Don't Push the Button, and this way you can practice using your switch. Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Are you going to push your switch? Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek, now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah, now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. You can take any book you have and practice using two hands to hold a book and shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Stop. Almost. A little more. Two hands on your book. Shake, 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 shake. Stop. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Can you find your tummy and give it a scratch, 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 scratch? Hee hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Hope you liked the story. Bye.